The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, while speaking to the media on the relocation of residents of Sweepers Colony to government quarters, said that the high-level committee, HLC, that was constituted to examine the matter is sincerely working towards submitting its report to the government. He also informed that the Cabinet had sat down for a discussion on the matter and will be meeting again from time to time for an update of the HLC report. On being questioned about the committee's laid-back attitude towards report submission, PRESTONE TYNSONG said that the allegations are all baseless and termed them as a political game of those with vested interests.
If we don't submit, they will say why HLC did not submit, why government just sleeping over the committee. When we submitted, they said, why you submitted during by-election? I think there is no end on that. But let me just assure you, government is dedicated, government is sincere enough. We have submitted. By-election will be ended on 30th of this month. So you have to see, beyond 30th of this month, are you trying to say that we will just dump this issue? We will not. That's what I'm telling you. We have already sat. Cabinet has already sat once. And we are going to sit more times after the 30th of this month, after the by-election. So therefore, the allegation made by vested interest people, I think I will not listen. Because these are only a political game made by some vested party or vested interest people. Just like that. But from the government side, let me just tell you, we are sincere and nobody did it during the Congress government. I was with Congress from 2003 till 2018, early 18. Nothing we discussed about this issue, but this government, from 18 when we took over the government, we constituted a committee, and also report has been submitted. And not only submitted, Cabinet has already discussed once. We are going to discuss more about the report, the recommendation made by the high-level committee.
As prices in fuel increase, there is also an anticipated increase in price of essential commodities all across the state, thereby affecting livelihood of the people. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, informed that the hike in petrol and diesel prices are not confined to India, but are an international issue. He added that the Union government had already foreseen a collapse in the international oil markets that would affect countries across the globe. Leaders of various countries have been gearing up to deal with the problem and are working towards a solution to end the crisis, PRESTONE TYNSONG informed.
This is throughout the world. It happened. And not only that, now government of India has already warned international market may collapse. So now I think we need to understand one thing, that every country, leaders of different countries now, they are working out how to come out of this situation that we have, because ultimately it may lead, as I said to you, to the economic crisis. So therefore, if you talk about the diesel and then about the petrol, yes, we knew. I think last time we have already reduced our taxes up to almost 6 rupees per liter, and this one it still continue. 6 rupees per liter means this is not a joke as far as Meghalaya state is concerned. We have tried our best, we have done our best, but again, as I said to you, because this hike happens universally, so it is out of our control. But we are trying our best to make sure, and hopefully maybe next month we will again have a cabinet meeting. We'll have to sit down, we have to discuss, and then we have, in fact, our Chief Minister has already spoken even to Union Finance Minister about the crisis. Even the Finance Ministry now, they are working out how to come out with this problem that we have.